What's up, YouTube? Hivemapper community, Discord, all of the above. Andrew's Lock and Key. We're going to talk about my mounts that I use. It's getting a little darker out here right now, so hopefully we have enough light to pull this off. Going to switch the camera around. Right, so we got our mount on the side of the van here. It is not going anywhere. Like, this is the magnetized Pel King GoPro style mounts I bought on Amazon that I've posted several times on the Discord. But I've been using these for pretty close to 35,000 kilometers I've mapped with these things on the outside of my van. Absolutely great. So let's talk about it being on top of the van. I normally don't use a ladder, I just climb up, but I'm gonna stand up here and talk to you guys about this. So it's a little darker. Let's zoom out a little bit here. All right, camera sitting on top of the van, have the rain gutter, the rain run for the van, the edge of the van. I have to run mine so the camera doesn't get the side of the van, but yet gets a great picture off the side of the right facing. Front facing normally sits right in front of the antenna over here, but it's not up there right now because we've got it on the side of the van. But like I was saying, these mounts aren't going anywhere. That is definitely on there. I'm pulling pretty hard to lift that up. What I'm trying to show you guys is this isn't even making a full connection. I have it only on like 6 magnets on the back side of the circle here. This one generally runs a little bit more on. Kind of run it that way, and I keep my camera kind of angled on the mount to get my right facing and to cut out the edge of the van in the picture as much as possible. And I also sit, 8 feet in the air compared to a lot of cars that are only, 5 feet off the ground, or if that. So all I can say is these mounts work phenomenal. We'll go back over to this guy over here real quick, just so you guys can see. Again, they don't go anywhere. They are mounted on there very tight. I am pulling quite a bit with my arm to get that to pull off. Listen quietly. I mean, that's bouncing on there. The camera has full movement. It's kind of hard to see. We have a big nut on the side, along with, can't really see the Allen wrench there. There's a black Allen screw inside of it. But at the end of the day, gentlemen, ladies, anybody who's mapping, I like it. Quarter 20 spinning a little bit, but it's got all sorts of adjustments on it. They work phenomenal. I suggest you use these if you're going to mount outside. As long as your car has metal to mount it to, you should be good. It's not coming off. So again, I got that loose right now. Tighten that up. And this guy. So, but it really is not going anywhere. The cameras are safe on these. Like I said, I get a little bit of dust on my front of my camera. I know a lot of guys have designed screens for them. I haven't decided to buy one yet. I run mine outside. For the price point, 300 bucks, not that bad of a deal. If one breaks, I'll buy another one. So I know some of these are bigger investments for you guys, but again, you get a much better picture with the camera outside, and hands down, only way to map, in my opinion. Happy mapping, people. We love you. Follow me on the Discord. Find me on Discord if you guys have any questions. Don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Remember, like and subscribe. I've got plenty more Hivemapper videos coming out. Thanks again. Have a great night.